Before we get started, this is a disclaimer. After watching this video, you are not going to be making $848 per day like me. It took years of blood, sweat, and tears to simply make this claim and have it actually be factual and true. So again, disclaimer, take what I say and look at it through that lens. Most people give up before they succeed at business, but I am simply not one of those people. Honestly, I'd rather die than give up something that is important to me. I'm just a freak like that, honestly. Back to the main part of the video. So for 2,555 days in a row, I have averaged $848 per day in income. This is before taxes and a few small business expenses here and there. So let's take a quick look at the math. So over the last 7 years, I have made $2,166,739. Divided by 7 years, that's $309,534 average income per year. That's $848 per day. I'm gonna answer these 3 questions that you probably have. Why do people pay me so much money? What product or service am I offering to these people? What businesses or investments am I into? Cool, I'll show you. So here's why people from dozens of different countries decide to pay me $4,000 to $6,000 for the information that I have after speaking with me for only like 30 minutes one single time. So I've been fortunate enough to build an internet marketing business that successfully generates leads for other people's businesses and offers. I've done all kinds of lead generation tactics over the last 7 years. Mostly how it works is people pay me a fee and then I write an ad and then I send out that ad to my email list, which was also built from ads, to generate leads and then fulfill the order for the customer. I also do Google ads, YouTube ads, Facebook ads, and other media buys depending on the client and the results we are trying to get. So I also started training people on how to do this, and I've generated hundreds of successful students and case studies as a result who've gone on to make tens of millions of dollars. So I think that's pretty cool to see how I contributed a little bit to their success through my mentorship program. So what product or service am I offering? The product or service that I offer to people is lead generation for their offers. The other product I offer is simply a training program on how to do this, so you can do it too. So why do people pay me so much money? People pay me a lot of money because I have a seriously great reputation as a result of treating people how they want to be treated. And also, of course, doing anything I can on my side to help them become as successful as they possibly can, and to help them get that specific outcome or result that they paid me in the beginning for help with. So what businesses or investments am I into? I love real estate. I've made a lot of money over the last 2 years with it. I do recommend investing in index funds because it's a smart thing to do for most people. Being that I'm a large risk taker, I haven't put too much money into stocks, but if you follow me on Facebook or public, you'll see that I recently just sold a bunch of my stocks and made a really large profit. I often invest most of my money into ads to try to sell a service or product at a break even or a profit. It's harder to do when you don't have the experience yet. But after you get the experience and if you spend enough money on ads and you've been doing it long enough for periods of time, it starts to get easier and make more sense, and it's easier to make work. Recently, I have sold off or completely scaled down most of my businesses and real estate. There's a pretty good chance now that my attention is far less fragmented that I will continue now to focus on building new offers, which is what I really want to do most right now. And I also want to blow up this YouTube channel and create a giant audience who gives a giant fuck about my perspectives on life, business, increasing success, and everything in between. If you'd like access to any of the free courses that I offer, just drop me a comment down below. I'll also put the link in the description for you to show you how to pick a product or service to get good at, so that you can go ahead and then start offering it to people and then make the kind of money that you want to make. Cool, my goal with this video is to keep it short and simple and to the point. I hope you found it valuable. Please smash that like button to show me that you got something out of this, and I'll see you on the next video. Much love to you guys. Peace.